Here's how to get started with your free trial demo with Easy Texting. First, visit easytexting.com and click on Start for Free. Enter in your information and select Start for Free once more. Verify your account by entering in your mobile phone number. Click Text My Code, and then enter in the number that was messaged to you. Now you'll be given a number that you can send text messages with. Click Let's Go, which will bring you to your new Easy Texting dashboard. To send your first message, click on Create in the top left, and then on Group Text. During your free trial, you'll only be able to deliver messages to the number you used during signup, so use that number in the To field. Add your company name or subject line, and then begin composing your message. Please note, to unlock all features, you'll need to pick a plan. When ready, click on Send Message, and then you can finish your free trial by clicking on Upgrade Now. Congrats, you just started with Easy Texting. Try it free.